Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can activate your American Express card. So if you're like me, who has just recently ordered an American Express card, now if you're wondering how you can activate your card, so basically, as soon as you receive your card like this, you can basically see a little QR code on a sticker right over here on the card itself. And just below that sticker, you can see the card. You can simply take the card out and what you'll have to do is basically download and install the American Express app. After that, simply open the app and your home interface will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the option Activate Card and Online Account. Now, simply enter the card number, which will usually be on the back side of your American Express card. Simply enter the 15-digit card number. After that, tap on the option Continue. Now simply enter the 4-digit number, which will be on the front side of your card. After that, tap on the option Continue. Now you'll have to verify your identity by entering your birth here. After that, tap on the option Done again, Continue. And just like that, it'll say your card is successfully activated. Now all you have to do is basically create your user ID. So simply choose a user ID for your American Express account. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option Continue. After that, create a new password for your Amex account. After that, tap on the option Continue. Now you'll have to choose one security question to answer from this list so that you can make your account secure. So simply choose any one of these four right over here. After that, tap on the option Done. And now if you want to activate Face ID, you can do so. But if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And there you have it. So that is basically how you activate your Amex card and set up your account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.